Yes, we are going to the port authorities. We are going to renew my port pass, which is just around here. I got my new port pass, and we can go back visiting ships again. Okay, that's it for this video.